In the previous video, we saw how to maintain the transducer of an ultrasonic system, but in this video, we're going to see how to maintain the instrument as a whole. There are a lot of parts, and there can be a lot of ways to maintain the system.
Uh, Almost every ultrasound machine has a ventilator in the power supply. The power supply gets hot and it has a ventilator to cool it down. Before that, there is a big filter to prevent dust coming into the machine. And we have to clean this twice a year. And then even in a hospital, which is a clean environment, it gets very quick, it gets dirty, and then we have to clean this. And if you don't have air pressure, you can clean it with by hand or with a vacuum cleaner. Another thing that every ultrasound once a year needs attention is the trackball. People working with ultrasound use a lot of gel, and they have to use the trackball to select options in the menu. So the trackball can get dirty. Almost every machine you can remove the trackball by turning this ring counterclockwise. Pull the trackball out. That's sometimes difficult because it's very flat. Then you can use a bit of tape and you can easily pull it out. And here you can see dust inside the housing of the trackball. Therefore, we can it's the most easy way. Gently blow it away. It's a very small amount of water. Clean it. And dry it. There are optical sensors in this part. Sometimes the cursor only moves from left to right or from top to bottom. Then one of the sensors is dirty and you have to clean it. And to check if any of it okay, you can move it without the ring. And this is working nice. Another thing you can check is the power cable. The power cable goes in the back of the equipment. Sometimes this is fixed in the connector, and then when you pull at this, the cable can get damaged at that point, and that's a possible chance of short circuit. So that is also a yearly checkpoint for us. You can check some parts. For instance, you have test and utilities, and test and utilities has a folder, a system test, and you can run the system test. If you press this, then it gives a warning: disconnect and remove all the transducers before you proceed. Please continue. Yes. Then now it checks all the internal parts of the transducer. Afterwards you can export the log file and send it to Philips if there is any problem with the machine. We do this test yearly when we do preventive maintenance, just to make sure that everything is okay when we return the machine to the department. Test is completed and it is passed. When it's filled, then it's in red. It gets a message filled. This is a simple support menu. When you get a code from, in this case, Philips, you can log in and you can go deeper in the menu to test specifically various parts of the machine.